This is a QuickMemo file from an LG smartphone. It's a note format. It's hard to open on PC. The best way is to export it as a PDF from the phone itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's export the note. We're tackling this LQM file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. The LQM serves as a primary example within the mobile device file classification. The file is identifiable by its compliance with QuickCam Project File. An LQM file is associated with LG QuickMemo, a note-taking application pre-installed on LG mobile devices. These files store memos, notes, and sketches created within the QuickMemo app. They may contain text, images, handwritten input, and other multimedia elements. LQM files are often used for backing up or transferring QuickMemo data between devices or for recovery purposes. LQM files are proprietary to LG's QuickMemo application. The internal structure is undocumented, making direct manipulation or conversion challenging without specific LG tools or reverse engineering. Recovery tools may exist to extract data from corrupted or inaccessible LQM files, but their effectiveness can vary. The file format is not designed for cross-platform compatibility. System file recognition for LQM is optimized for LG QuickMemo by LG Electronics. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows provides only basic attributes, so proper handling relies on mobile management or development tools. The solution lies in finding the correct software match. Go to your LQM file, right-click, and select Open With. Use LG QuickMemo first if it is installed. If not, start testing other options until one successfully reads the file. The LQM file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, use QuickCam software. Open the file using Logitech QuickCam Messenger software, as this is the required application for the video project. Next, check original media. Ensure all original video clips referenced by the project are present in the same location, folder they were in when the project was last saved. Finally, open as text. Open the LQM file in a text editor to view the text-based configuration of the project. If basic app testing is complete and the problem is clearly technical, it's time to upgrade the solution. The most effective next step is a dependable tool worth trying for stubborn LQM files. Since we tried everything on the LQM format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. The link for FileMagick is just below the video. Spread the word about this fix. Please hit the like button and subscribe for my latest videos.